8.
8. Oh, right there he is.
Be careful, Tate. Come on, Shaniqua. Oh, man.
Damn, 8.
They just want a circle, don't they?
Yeah.
We just thought it was going to be an easy one.
No, but it looked easy. Oh, no.
You must have 8 and 9 right there together. Why'd you stop like that?
I told him the other night, I said, why don't you ever do the cutting? Because that's what your love is. He goes, that stupid paint horse, he won't cut nothing. I go, well, switch
I
horses with
would like to, on behalf
Cassidy.
of Clay North and Travis Mitchell and the rest of the Ranch Rodeo team, I would like to thank our volunteers. This would not be possible without you. Thank you so much.
Oh, my gosh.
That 8 is just not going to come.
No, not without the whole herd. My goodness. Shaniqua's trying to work.
Go, Patty.
Time. All right, that will end our sorting. We will